How to fix keyboard lag or delay in Windows 11. Try these fixes to get your keyboard responding normally again. First, open Settings and go to Windows Update. Select Check for Updates and install any available updates, since outdated system software can sometimes cause keyboard issues. Next, go to Accessibility. Select Keyboard and make sure Filter Keys is turned off. This feature can sometimes make your keyboard feel delayed. Now, press Windows plus R to open Run. Type Control Keyboard and press Enter. In the Keyboard Properties window, increase the repeat rate toward the fastest setting. Then click Apply and OK. If the keyboard is still lagging, search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to reach 100% and repair any corrupted Windows system files. Finally, open Device Manager. Expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard, and select Update Driver. If the problem continues, you can uninstall the keyboard device and then select Action/Scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. These steps should help fix keyboard lag, input delay, or slow typing on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe,